Hello everyone, this is Rajdip Sharma, your mathematics educator. So scholars, in this video we will solve exercise 11.3. In the previous video we have solved exercise 11.1 and 11.2. So this exercise 11.3 is totally based on the circle. So let's start with a basic definition that what is a circle. So as we all know, the circle is a shape that looks like a ring, right, that is round. Okay, so this is the diagram of the circle, right, and this is the basic definition of the circle. So I want everyone to note down this definition. So now let's start with the definition and the formulas of circumference and area of a circle. So circumference of a circle is the distance around the circular region is known as the circumference. Now area, so the space occupied by the circle is called area, very basic definition. And here are the formulas. See, circumference is denoted by C, so C equals to 2 pi r. This is the formula to find the circumference of a circle. And area of the circle, that is pi r square. So I want everyone to note down these two important formulas: circumference of a circle and area of the circle. And in this video we will solve question number 1 to the question number 6. So now quickly let's start with the exercise 11.3 question number 1. So now scholars, let's start with question number 1 from exercise 11.3. So read the question: find the circumference of a circle with the following radius. Okay, so here we have to find the circumference and the radius is given to you. So let's start with the A. The radius is 14 and we have to find the circumference. So we know the formula, that is C circumference equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 14. So that is 2 into 22 into 2, 7 1 za and 7 2 za. Okay, so 2 into 22 into 2, that is nothing but 88 centimeter. Okay, now for the B part, we have radius that equals to 28 mm. So we know the formula, circumference that equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. So 7 1 za, 7 4 za. So 2 into 22 into 4, that is 176 mm. So scholars, now solve the C part, in which the radius is 21 centimeter. Again apply the same formula, C that equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. So 7 1 za, 7 3 za. So 2 into 22 into 3, that is 132 centimeter. Okay, so this was question number 1. So the question number 2 is find the area. So okay, underline this word area of a circle, given that first one, radius that is 14 mm is given to you and we simply have to find the area. So in the beginning we have discussed the formula of area, that is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 and the r is given to you 14 mm. Pi r square, so 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. Now 14 into 14, that is 196. So 22 upon 7 into 196. 7 1 za and 7 28 za. At the end you will get your answer as 616 mm square. Now let's solve the B part. B part, the diameter is given to you. Now you might be wondering, the formula of the circle is pi r square, but here the diameter is given. So scholars, we all know radius is half of the diameter. So 49 divided by 2, that is 24.5. So your radius is 24.5. Now simply put the value of radius into the formula, that is pi r square. So pi that equals to 22 by 7 into r square, 24.5 square. Now 24.5 square, that is 600.25. When you multiply this, you will get the answer as 1886.5 meter square. Student, please note that the part C is your homework. You have to try it by yourself. So now scholars, you might be wondering how to do this calculation. Okay, so let me teach you. See, area we all know pi r square, so pi is 22 by 7, here r is 24.5. So first of all you have to find 24.5 into 24.5. So ignore the point, and 245 into 245, that is 60025, and after two decimals you will put the point. So in this way you will get 600.25. Now let me solve it for you. 22 upon 7 into 600.25. so whenever you remove this point, you will divide it by 100. Why 100? Because after point there were two decimals. Okay, 7 ones are, and this is 8575. Okay, now 8575 into 22, so you will get the answer as 188,650. divide by 100. So our final step was 188,650 upon 100. So 0 cancel. So 18865 divided by 10, that is nothing but 186.5 meter square. Okay, so in this way you can do your calculation. So scholars, now let's see question number 3 from exercise 11.3. So the question is, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Now we have to simply find the radius, and we know the formula to find the circumference, that is C equals to 2 pi r. Okay, so just put all the values. C equals to 2 pi r. C value is 154, that equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Now 22 into 2, that is 44. Now this 7 is in division, so it will get changed into what? Yes, multiplication. So r, that equals to 154 into 7 divided by 44. Now 11 4s are 44 and 11 14s are 154. So r, that equals to 14 into 7 divided by 4. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. So r, that equals to 7 into 7 divided by 2. 7 into 7, that is 49 divided by 2. And 49 divided by 2 is 24.5 meter. So we have find the radius equals to 24.5 meter. Now in the question they are asking to find the area. So we know that the area of the circle, that is pi r square. So just simply put the values. Pi 22 by 7 and the radius, that is 24.5 square. So 22 by 7 into 600.25, that is 186.5 meter square. So scholars, this calculation is same that we have done in the exercise 11.3 question number 2, that is the previous question. So you can refer to that question for this calculation. Okay, so scholars, now let's start with exercise 11.3 question number 4. Okay, so question number 4 is, a gardener wants to fence a circular region of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of a rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Okay, here underline this word fence. Fence means boundary, and in the circle boundary is the circumference. Okay, so we have to apply the formula of the circumference. So see, diameter is given to you, that is 21 meter. So radius will be diameter by 2. So 21 divided by 2, that is 10.5. Okay, now we know C, that equals to 2 pi r circumference. So simply put the values, 2 into 22 by 7 into 10.5. So that is 462 divided by 7, and at the end you will get the answer as 66 meter. So this is the circumference. Now in the question it is given that find the length. So the length of a rope is 2 into 62. Why 2 into 62? Because there are 2 rounds. This one is for the round 1, but here in the question they are asking for 2 rounds. Okay, so 2 into 62, that is 132 meter. So now we have to find the cost. So the cost of 1 meter is 4 rupees. So the cost of 132 is simply 4 into 132, and 4 into 132 is 528 rupees. So at the end the cost is 528 rupees. So scholars, now let's see exercise 11.3 question number 5. This is also a very simple question. See, from the circular sheet of a radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Remaining means we simply have to put the minus. Here there are two radius. So the first radius is denoted by the capital R that equals to 4 centimeter, and the radius of the circle which we have to remove is denoted by the small r, that is 3 centimeter. So see, area, we are talking about the area. So the area of the remaining sheet, that is from bigger we will minus the smaller, that is pi r square minus pi r square, right? So pi is common, r square minus small r square. Now simply put the values of capital R and small r, that is pi is 3.14, capital R that is 4 square minus small r that is 3 square. So 3.14, 16 minus 9, so 3.14 into 7. So at the end you will get the answer as 21.98 centimeter square. Okay, and remember students, here you have to take pi as 3.14. It is given in the question already. Okay, if it is not given you can take 22/7, and if it is given then you have to compulsory take 3.14. Okay, so in this way you will get the answer as 21.98 centimeter square. So at the end you will write one statement that the area of the remaining sheet is 21.98 centimeter square. So scholars, now let's start with the exercise 11.3 question number 6. Now read this question very properly. So Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of a diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length. Okay, here they are talking about the length. So length means what? Yes, very good, that is circumference, and you have to also find the cost. Okay, so the diameter is given to you. Now quickly tell me what will be the radius. Yes, that is 1.5 divided by 2, and that is nothing but 0.75. Now simply put the formula of the circumference of a circle. Why circumference? Because we have to find the length. Okay, so C that equals to 2 pi r, and you have to take pi as 3.14. So 2 into 3.14 into r, that is 0.75. So you will get the answer as 4.71 meter. Now you simply have to find the cost. See, 1 meter lace, that is 15 rupees. So 4.71 meter is how much? Simply you have to multiply 15 into 4.71, and that is nothing but 70.65 rupees. So it was quite similar to the question number 5. Okay, so till now we have completed exercise 11.3 question number 1 to the question number 6. In the next video we will solve the further questions. So till then, do practice all the questions, and thank you so much for listening to me very carefully. Bye everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.